For image to video in X motion, start with a still image that matches the subject and direction you want. Upload it from your computer. Then, write a motion prompt that brings the image to life. Describe camera movement, subject motion, depth, and any lighting changes. Find the right model, aspect ratio, duration, resolution, and audio. Once you're ready, click Generate to create the animation. When the result is ready, preview it in the panel and drop it straight into your edit. No exports, folders, or manual imports needed. Keep in mind, you need to have a composition selected in order to import the generation into your timeline.